Hello students, today we are going to study the next practical in our record book, that is to study the stomata by making temporary slide of leaf peel. म्हणजे वनस्पतीच्या पानांतील पर्णरंध्रांचा अभ्यास करणे, त्यांची रचना अभ्यासणे आणि तात्पुरती कायम काचपट्टी चे निरीक्षण करणे. Stomata. This is also called as stoma, plural stomata or stomas. Any of the microscopic opening or pores in the epidermis of leaves and young stem. Stomata are generally more numerous on the underside of leaves. They provide for the exchange of gases between the outside air and the branched system of interconnecting air canals within the leaf. Stomata are the teeny openings present on the epidermis of leaves. In some of the plants, stomata are present on stems and other parts of the plants. Stomata play an important role in gaseous exchange and photosynthesis. They control by transpiration rate by opening and closing. Now, functions of stomata. The main function of stomata is to open and close the pores in the leaves for an exchange of gases. It allows the plant to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen for photosynthesis. Based on the weather conditions, it closes or opens its pores to keep the moisture content developed. In our school lab, we do this experiment. This is the second term experiment in which we prepare a temporary slides of stomata and also observe the permanent slide of it. For this practical, we use two plants. For example, Rio plant and a Bryophyllum leaf. म्हणजे रिओ या वनस्पतीच्या पानाची पर्णरंध्रे आणि पानफुटी, ब्रायोफायलम म्हणजे पानफुटी, तर यांच्या तात्पुरत्या काचपट्ट्या तयार केल्या. तात्पुरती काचपट्टी तयार करण्याची प्रक्रिया, त्याचा स्वतंत्र व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाठवला जाईल. या ठिकाणी फक्त पर्णरंध्रांची रचना आपण सांगत आहोत. रिओ या वनस्पतीचे ही तात्पुरती केलेली काचपट्टी आहे. This is a temporary slide of stomata in Rio plant. Next. In Bryophyllum, we take a section and observe the structure of stomata. This one is the permanent slide of stomata. In the plant Hydrilla and Vallisneria, the stomata are absent in those plants. In Hydrilla and Vallisneria, stomata are totally absent. After that, we study the transpiration process in plant. In the given picture, there is a water vapor. We collected in a carry bag. The water eventually is released to the atmosphere as vapor via the plant stomata, teeny closable pore-like structures on the surface of the leaves. Overall, this uptake of water at the roots, transport of water through plant tissues, and release of vapor by leaves is known as transpiration. How transpiration important to the plants? The process of transpiration keeps the cell turgid, cools the surface of leaves, and helps in the movement of minerals from the soil to different parts of the plant. Transpiration. In botany, a plant's loss of water, mainly through the stomata of leaves. Stomatal openings are necessary to admit carbon dioxide to the leaf interior and to allow oxygen to escape during photosynthesis. Hence, transpiration is generally considered to be an unavoidable phenomenon that accompanies the real function of the stomata. It has been proposed that transpiration provides the energy to transport water in the plant and may aid in heat dissipation in direct sunlight, means by cooling through evaporation of water. Though these theories have been challenged, excessive transpiration can be extremely injurious to plant. When water loss exceeds water intake, it can retard the plant's growth and ultimately lead to death by dehydration. जे ट्रान्सपायरेशन या म्हणजे बाष्पोत्सर्जन प्रक्रिया, या प्रक्रियेतून वनस्पतीच्या पानाद्वारे पाणी वाफेच्या रूपात बाष्पाच्या रूपात बाहेर वातावरणात सोडले जाते. या बाष्पोत्सर्जन प्रक्रियेचे निरीक्षण 9वीच्या विद्यार्थिनींनी केलेले आहे. प्रत्यक्ष निरीक्षण करून नंतर हा व्हिडिओ आपण तयार केलेला आहे. निरीक्षणाच्या नोंदी मुलींनी प्रत्यक्ष घेतलेल्या आहेत.